Right, so this we have the parcels and the boundary. So let's click on the boundary, right click on it and say open attribute table boundary. So we have can see the shape area, that's 85,234.325 square meters. So you can see that from the attribute table here, shape area. So let's close boundary and let's go to the parcels. If I right click and I say open attribute table, down we can see that it has 160 features from here. Bottom line here 160. So total parcels are 160. Okay, then we want to run a query to see those that are complete parcels. So by complete parcels there should be like 460 square meters at least. So to do that we are going to select by attribute. Okay, so select by attribute. These are the parcels, and we say new selection where what shape area, okay, is greater than or equal to 460 square meters. So I'll just type 460 and I'll click on apply. Alright, so you can see the selection has been made and all the parcels that are up to 460 or above have been highlighted. So I'll say greater than 460 square meters, and then we can see it from the attribute table. We'll close this. Pardon my laptop. Okay, so it says 135 out of the 160. So 135 of the plots met up to that criteria. And you can see them highlighted. Here. From here I can also create a new what, just calculate field. So this opens and I'm going to give it a new name and I'll call it area classification or class. Let me just leave it like that, area class. and it's going to be a text field, and I'm going to name it area class is equals to, I'll just say it's supposed to be above 1 1 don't know why my computer is saying this. Above one plot, but let's see, this is use the selected 135 records. Now let me just use a trick here, just to gonna say below one plot, okay, and I'm just gonna turn off this. I'll click on apply. Now all of them will be labeled as below one plot. Calculate field. Sorry, I'm supposed to put quotes like so. Yeah, so let me click on apply again. Alright, so it was successful. Now guess what I will do again. I'm just gonna change this below to above. Above one plot and above. I'll say one plot and above. But the areas, they are not so much more than one plot, so let me just call it complete one plot. Complete one plot. And I'm going to check this radio button for the 135 records. Then I'll click on apply. Okay, it has been completed. So from here we see that there's a new area class, complete one plots. Then the rest are below one plot. So you can see. So this way we have successfully classified our data into two classes, those that are up to one plot and those that are below one plot. So we can clear the filter here, and then we're gonna want to figure out those that are at least up to half plot and above. So come to select the attribute again, and the parcels, new selection, where shape area. Half plot of land is 230 square meters. 230. If one plot is up to 460, then it should be 230. So it's equals to or greater than, let's say, 230. 230. Then we add another clause. It should be an and. It should be shape area is less than is less than or equals to, or let's say it's less than that 460, because our previous clause was on 460, right? So when we do that, we click on apply. No, this is erroneous. It's erroneous. Where shape area is greater than, oh sorry, should be shape area, not shape length. Look at where the error is coming from. It's less than 460. So we apply. So here you see those are the plots that are up to half plot and above. So let's close this. So 20. Okay, so we can also click on calculate field. And we are using the 20 selected records, right? We are still using the area class, and then this one is half plots but less than one plot. Half plots but less than one plot, right? Oh, okay. And we click on okay, right? Let's apply. So now we have should have 3 classes, but let's clear the filter and go for the last class. The last selection should be new parcels where area is less than 230, and we are closing this one, less than 230, right? So we click on apply. No, it's less than, look at it here, less than 230. Apply. So let's click on OK. So we have this one 5. There are just 5. So I'm just gonna open my attribute table, right? I'm already open my attribute table. So let's calculate, and then the area class is still there. So this one is less than half plot. Less than half plots. And there are 5. Look at the radio button is checked for use the selected 5 records, right? So I'm just gonna click on OK or apply and OK, and here we are. So we have completed one plot, this, then less than half plots, and then half plots but less than one plot. So these are 3 classes. So with these 3 classes we can symbolize our layer. So let's see how it looks like. Let me turn off the boundary. Let me turn off the road. No need of turning off the boundary. No need of turning off the road. No need of turning off the boundary. No need of turning off the road. So just select the parcels, right click on symbology. So here we're gonna change this to unique values, and then we are not interested in shape area, we are interested in the area class. And here we go. Automatically it has giving us this, and we're gonna click on more. We're gonna click on more and say include all other values. I'm going to check that off. So basically we have the parcels here. So these are complete one plot, these are half plots but less than one plot, and these are less than one plot. So it's very clear from our visual. So I'm going to take a screenshot of this, but before then the complete one plot, I'm going to change the color properties, and I'm just going to make it something like this. So these are complete one plot. Then the half plots can also change their color to, let's say orange or yellow. Half plots and less than one plot, I'm gonna change their color to, let's say, red, like so. So yeah, the land is well symbolized, and I can take a screenshot of this and show to the person requesting for it. So bye for now.